Sometime here. So our one son PJ's out west in the US there. He's driving this El Deltino all across the country. Finally sent us back some pictures. I'll try to zoom in here and show you. Got one here. There's PJ on the Napier Deltic in Sacramento. There's another picture up in there. He's moved up a bit there, right above the Napier Deltic rating on the crankshaft cover. Oh, here's another one. There's PJ there. As you can see, the gigantic size of the Deltic there dwarfs him. Anyways, good to know that he's doing alright. He's even getting to see some Deltics while he's doing it. Look forward to him sending some more pictures and videos of his travels across the United States. He's giving the El Deltino a good test there. Sometime here, we'll catch you later.